Hey everyone, just getting to you here. Um, I was gonna take some fireworks at the 4th of July, but I didn't. I kind of forgot my camera here. Um, I kind of forgot my camera and I kind of forgot my phone to take some video of the fireworks, but I didn't, so. Just a quick video here again. Just to check in with you guys. Sunshine day. Well, not sunshine day, but it's nice right now and the sun is showing. It rained last night. And right now the sun is showing, which it normally does after rain. It poured last night. Got rain pour. But I'm just checking in with you guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.